It's 100,000 miles to your door. Don't know if I can do this anymore. You're somewhere lost in static noise. I'm frozen in this space. Your voice cuts through like a knife, but it don't sing, it don't feel right. I write your name, but it's not the same. Still I ask the air like a prayer gone numb. Tell me, what more could I have done? I just wanna crash into where you are, through every wall and goddamn scar. Hold the pieces you didn't take. Why does love always leave a bruise where you used to be? I want you back with me. Feels like a fucking joke. It hits my bed but not my soul. I whisper your name to the dark, like maybe you'll walk through that door. You're not coming back, and I miss you. The past cuts through like shattered glass, sharp as hell and soft as ash. Every miss you rips my spine, and I bleed inside my mind. Still I ask the air like a prayer gone numb. Tell me, what more could I have done?
Down, heaven just to touch your breath. Trade my lungs for your silhouette. I yell at stars like they'd ever care, wishing on shit that don't exist. Every night I break in half, screaming at a ghost in a photograph. God ain't spoke since you disappeared. Maybe he's tired of my tears.
I just wanna crash in where you are, crack the silence, tear it apart. Every lie that said we'd be okay. Why does love taste like ash? Like something sweet that didn't last?